Hello, my friends. Let me ask you something from the heart. Have you noticed lately that reading the morning paper feels harder? Maybe the crossword puzzle looks a little fuzzy, or watching your favorite evening show. Those small captions at the bottom seem blurry. It happens to so many of us as we get older. Our eyes, just like the rest of our body, need a little extra care in our golden years. But here's the good news. Nature has given us foods, especially fruits, that can repair and protect your vision. Today I'll share 3 fruits that are easy to find in any grocery store, affordable and proven to support sharper, healthier eyes as we age. So sit back, maybe grab your cup of coffee or tea, and let's walk through this together. As we age, our eyes go through natural changes. The lens hardens, making it tougher to focus. The macula, the part that lets us see fine details, can weaken, and oxidative stress, tiny bits of damage from the environment, diet, or just time, can wear down eye cells. That's why many seniors experience cataracts, macular degeneration, or blurred vision. But here's something hopeful. Food can help fight this process. Just as a strong roof protects your home from rain, certain nutrients protect your eyes from aging damage. And some of the best sources of these nutrients is everyday fruits. First on our list is blueberries. Blueberries are called a superfood, and for good reason. They're loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins that protect your eyes from stress and damage. Research shows that blueberries can improve night vision, which is great for driving at dusk, reduce eye fatigue from reading or screen time, slow down age-related vision decline. I met a retired doctor who told me she keeps a bag of frozen blueberries in her freezer. Every morning she tosses them on her oatmeal. At 76, she says her eye doctor is always surprised at how strong her vision still is. Let's look at easy ways to enjoy blueberries. Get fresh blueberries from your local store or farmer's market. Use frozen blueberries to make smoothie. You can also eat dried blueberries in trail mix. And here's a little tip. Pair blueberries with Greek yogurt. It makes for a delicious and eye-healthy snack. Next up is oranges. You've probably heard oranges are good for colds, but did you know they're excellent for your eyes too? That's because they're rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C strengthens the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, helping lower the risk of cataracts and slowing down macular degeneration. Many seniors already enjoy oranges, whether it's as a quick snack or a glass of juice with breakfast. I once chatted with a grandma in Florida where oranges are practically a way of life. She said every afternoon she sits on her porch, peels an orange and enjoys it slice by slice. At 82, she was still quilting without glasses. She told me, "That orange a day keeps more than colds away. It keeps my eyesight strong." How do you add oranges to your meal every day? Eat them whole for the fiber. Have half a grapefruit with breakfast. Same benefits. Just be cautious if you're on certain medications. Always ask your doctor. Or add orange slices to a salad for extra zest. Now let's talk about fruit that helps to improve seniors' eyesight that's tropical is papaya. I know papaya isn't as common as apples or bananas in every household, but you can find it at big grocery stores like Walmart, Costco, or even local ethnic markets. Papaya is rich in vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These are powerhouse nutrients for your retina, the part of the eye that lets you see fine detail. Think of them as built-in sunglasses. They filter harmful blue light from TVs, phones, and even sunlight, protecting your eyes from damage. If papaya feels too exotic, you can also go for cantaloupe or apricots, which are rich in the same vision-supporting nutrients. I once spoke with a woman from Texas who told me she blends papaya into smoothies with a little lime juice. She laughed and said, "My kids think I'm drinking something fancy, but really I'm feeding my eyes." Ways to enjoy papaya or cantaloupe. Eat fresh with a squeeze of lime. Blend into a smoothie. Dice into a fruit salad. So let's take recap on fruits that helps to improve your eyesight as a senior. Blueberries for antioxidants that fight damage. Oranges for vitamin C to strengthen blood vessels. Papaya or cantaloupe for vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin to protect the retina. You don't need to eat buckets of fruit at once. The key is you being consistent in adding these fruits to your meal. A handful, a slice there, day after day, week after week. That's what makes the difference. And remember, balance matters. Combine these fruits with leafy greens, nuts, fish like salmon, and plenty of water for overall eye health. Dear Golden Seniors, your eyesight is a treasure. It lets you see your grandchildren's smiles, your favorite Sunday church hymnal, the autumn leaves changing colors, or the baseball game on TV. Don't give up on your eyes just because you're getting older. With small, daily choices like enjoying these fruits, you can protect your vision and continue living life with clarity. So next time you're in the grocery store, pick up some blueberries, grab a bag of oranges, and maybe treat yourself to a papaya or cantaloupe. Think of them as little gifts for your eyes. Stay strong, stay joyful, and may your golden years be filled with bright, clear vision.